In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix overheating of your Android phone. First is to close the app and any task that is open. Force stop or uninstall unused application, especially power-hungry ones. You can also take off the phone case to improve heat dissipation and get out of direct sunlight or warm environment. You can also turn on airplane mode to stop the network activity and also lower the brightness, adjust the resolution, or use battery saver mode or avoid gaming or doing long video calls. Next is to turn the phone off for a bit to let it cool, and then use it once you feel like it is cool enough for use. And also ensure that you are using the official charger and avoid fast charging if it causes heat. And that's how you can fix Android phone that is really overheating. And thank you for listening.